friends. I hope you are doing awesome, and it's been another really amazing week in the blockchain and the crypto space. After Bitcoin halving, the market seems to be really quite stable, and Bitcoin is being able to keep so far above $9,100, which is a good sign for consolidation. And I see the Bitcoin difficulty rate going up with new Bitmains miners coming up, which is like really fast and can go up to a speed of over 120 terahash per second. So today I really wanted to talk about something exciting, which is how blockchain can revolutionize the world of cybersecurity. So we have seen with a lot of hacks and a lot of other security breaches, right? Security has become a very major challenge, and this is about to grow at a tremendous rate. As per Gartner and several other resources and sources, the cybersecurity, the potential breach caused by cybersecurity attacks is going to surpass $1 trillion in next coming decades, which is absolutely a signs of worry, and which is hundreds of billions of dollars in a year. And how blockchain can essentially help is basically because of its decentralization, distributed ledger technology, and its entire audit trail. And also it's going to make a lot of your passwords essentially tamper proof and hack proof, because whatever passwords and who logged in and when they logged in and everything would be recorded onto a one universal chain. Let's say, for example, a defense, right, where a security plays a very important role. They would know who logged in and who logged out using blockchain's trail, or the blockchain's technology of distributed ledger technology, or a distributed database structure, where as the terminology suggests, that one block of data is which is connected with one another. In this way, they would be able to track all the information on who logged in, when they logged in, what kind of information was looked for, who downloaded what kind of information, who uploaded what kind of information, and so on and so forth. So this way, it could revolutionize the entire space of defense forever. There are also quite a good use cases in essentially tracking a lot of parts for the defense industry, and also manufacturing, in the manufacturing of 3D printers. So I think the next future is all about 3D printers, and I'm going to talk about how blockchain is going to power the era of essentially the 3D printers. So cheers guys, take care, and keep looking for how blockchain can use for cybersecurity. It's a really amazing career opportunity, and it's a good space to be in, right? Combining your knowledge of blockchain with cybersecurity, I think it's one of the most highest paid jobs out there. So if you're looking forward to learn blockchain, you could visit indianblockchaininstitute.com, schedule a call with one of our counselors, attend one of our free webinars, and you would know exactly what and how the blockchain is essentially creating opportunities and shaping life of the internet community. And also you could keep visiting snappabuzz.com for a lot of updates around blockchain news and cryptocurrency stuff. So cheers guys, take care, bye, and have an amazing day ahead.